Greetings traders! Today's trading session will be devoted to gold because gold is one of the most popular commodities, and as a short-term trader you have to be watching gold because it always gives plenty of profit opportunities. But of course, as always, the most important thing is knowing how to exploit these opportunities and how to make money on these short-term swings, and I will show you here how to use that. Here, of course, I will have my basic approach. I will trade price action, and I will do that based on moving averages. What does that mean? In other words, when prices will go up and close above major trend line based on moving average, I will go long, but when prices will close below moving average, indicating that that will be downwards trend, I will go short. I will risk $1,000 per trade. In proportion of my capital, that's a relatively small amount, and duration of trades will be only 5 seconds because my trick here is to capture short and sharp price swings to make quick but predictable profit based on my trading analysis. So with that said, let's trade. Oh, by the way, yes, we don't use fundamental analysis because timeframes are just too short and there is no need for that. We are just trading on price action. And let's go. Let's start to trade. Okay, our first trade. Our first trade will be short trade because prices just now closed below the trend line and are spiking downwards. So consequently, we made good profit because prices were down. Okay, our second trade. Now we are going to go short as well because just prices are keep going down and we are below the trend line. Okay, second trade, second profit. Now prices are close to moving average, so we might have a couple of whips out trades and we don't know right direction, but still we are sticking to our strategy and we will go higher because our trend indicates so. Yes, sticking to our strategy paid our dividends, and in our third trade we made money. Our fourth trade indicates that trend is up. That means we will go long. Yes, this was pretty close, I know, because there is no strong price action, but still, strategy indicated that we had to go long. We went long and we made some money. Now our fifth trade. Our fifth trade will be long as well because, well, prices are keep climbing up and we have to follow the prices. Yes, and logically we made some money because we followed our strategy. So here we didn't have clear price direction in either way, so we had to have a couple of long trades, couple of short trades because prices were close to moving average. But still, we stick to our strategy and we made decisive action and we made roughly $2,500 profit in this short trading session. As you see, what all you need to have is correct trading approach, exact places where to open and close your trades, correct risk management tools, and of course good options brokers such as Pocket Options to execute those trades at correct prices, because in short time frame it really matters. And if you want to use that, use my referral code and start to trade that yourself. So thanks for watching this, and until my next trading session.